What is a biome? By definition, a biome is a major ecological community extending over a large area and usually characterized by a dominant vegetation. Today we learned about the 8 different land biomes, and you were each given a different animal. These animals were classified as endangered, thriving, extinct, and threatened. Today we also found out the average temperature and rainfall per year, as well as 3 plants that you can find there. We covered the Tennessee State Standards by exploring the relationship between an organism's characteristics and its ability to survive in a particular environment. We classified organisms as threatened, endangered, thriving, and extinct. We gathered information from a variety of sources to support a research topic. We applied appropriate reading strategies to comprehend informational texts, and we also performed an improvised scene that conforms to the rules of dramatic structure. Now for a review of the 8 land biomes. Which biome is referred to as the treeless mountain tract or the barren land? There are 3 different types within this biome: Arctic, Alpine, and Antarctic. It's the tundra. Some plants that you can find there are the dwarf shrubs, lichen, sedges, grasses, and mosses. It's also the youngest biome. It's mostly in the northern hemisphere, and there are only 6 to 10 inches of rainfall per year. The average temperature is negative 18 degrees Fahrenheit and negative 28 degrees Celsius. The animals that we focused on were the polar bear, the snowy owl, and the Arctic fox.
Which biome is the largest biome in the world? It's cold and is located below the tundra. It's the taiga. There are coniferous trees such as pine, spruce, and hemlock, lichens, and mosses for the plants, and the temperature is below freezing 6 months out of the year. The average rainfall is 12 to 33 inches per year. Some of the animals that we focused on were the black bear, the bald eagle, and the Canadian lynx. Which biome is located mostly in California and is also known as the chaparral? It is the scrub forest. The average rainfall for the scrub forest is 20 to 30 inches per year. It has really dry summers. Some of the plants that are there are oaks, trees, shrubs, and grass. The animals that we focused on were coyotes, Hermes copper butterfly, and the red diamond rattlesnake.
Which biome can be found in the eastern half of North America and in Middle Europe? Broken up into 5 zones, there are the tree stratum, small tree and sapling zone, shrub zone, herb zone, and ground zone. It's the temperate deciduous forest. The average temperature is 50 degrees per year. There are 30 to 60 inches of rainfall per year. Some plants that can be found there are oak, beech, and maple trees, rhododendron shrubs, and herbal plants. The animals that we focused on were the least weasel, the red squirrel, and the eastern cougar.
Which biome is located in the eastern part of the United States? It's the temperate rainforest biome. The temperature averages about 0 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. The rainfall is at least 200 centimeters per year.
The plants are the Indian paintbrush and the big leaf maple. The animals that we focused on were the mountain lion, the brown-nosed bear, and the raccoon. Which biome covers less than 60% of Earth's land surfaces in South America? It's the tropical rainforest. The temperature barely gets higher than 93 degrees Fahrenheit or below 68 degrees Fahrenheit. The rainfall is often more than 100 inches per year. The plants are chocolate tree and the drip tip. The animals that we focused on were the parrots, the gorilla, and the dodo bird.
Which biomes can be found in the middle latitude and the interiors of the continents? The grassland biome. There are two types of grassland biomes. Tall grass, which are humid and wet, and short grass, which are dry. In the summer, the temperature can get high as 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and in the winter, it can get as low as negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The average rainfall per year ranges from 10 to 30 inches. The plants can be found in the grassland biomes are the shrubs and trees, buffalo grass, foxtail, and wild oats. The three animals that we focus on are the giraffe, zebra, and elephant. Which biome covers about 1/5 of the Earth's land surface and is located near the Tropic of Cancer or the Tropic of Capricorn? The desert biome. The temperature ranges from 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, and of course there is little rainfall. The main plant that is located in the desert is, of course, the cactus. The three animals that we are focused on are the camel, mice, and the tortoise.